This has been so far a successful trip. So yeah, we're about to wake up, get ready for breakfast and stuff like that. So yeah, welcome to the vlog. You already know what time it is. Subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and give us a huge thumbs up. There you go. Take your newspaper. Read all about it. 10 ways to celebrate. You got a little colors. It's a cute little newspaper in the morning. Concierge news. A little maze. Cool with the wrapper. We have this cool little, they're not lighting up right now, but it's cool little lights and music and cool little arts and stuff in here. Pretty cool. So, we about to get dressed, get up out of here. We halfway dressed, bags to sit on, our room looking crazy as y'all can see. Pirate Island is still lit. We're about to go and enjoy the whole Pirate Island and hotel. Girls over here kicking it with everybody. Say what's up to the vlog. Say good morning. Say good morning, vlog. I'm recording you. Yep. It's the vlog. I put the vlog on. Celeste, you gonna say good morning to the vlog? Good morning. Carmen, you gonna? Good morning. You looking at me or I can't even see because of the light. What's up, DJ? You gonna say good morning to the vlog?
Welcome to the vlog.
Welcome to the vlog. All right. Yeah. Like I said, we about to get dressed and head out. And we're on day number 2. I didn't really give y'all much of day number 1. I'm gonna give y'all a room tour later. We got scavenger hunts coming up. We got a whole bunch of stuff to do. So yeah, pool day. So yeah, let's get into the video. Yes. What the heck? So we made it down to the Lego thing. Oh my God, it's a battle royale. You always, Aiden, you always on the vlog battling somebody. It's always a battle. Huh?
Where's Jay?
Where's what?
Where's Jay?
Where's Jay? Oh, they went to the store. They coming right back. Oh, Galaxia, you done? Don't you power drive her. Get up. What's up, son?
Bet I'd actually climb all the way up there.
Oh God, no.
No, God, please, no, no.
No, don't get us kicked out.
My pirate ship.
Oh, the pirate ship. Please don't step. Oh my God, poor little Lego man. Now if that piece falls off, I am not responsible. I take no responsibility for that. That's all you. See, you weren't supposed to climb on him. That's why. What you doing? She got your gun. She out of here. Your gun is out of here. Done. Oh. Gun. You need to build a sword. Aren't you a pirate? Don't pirates have swords or no?
Yeah, they do.
How to vlog your sword? Come here. Aiden, let me see. You did. Mission accomplished. Let me see your sword. You gonna show it to me? All right. There you go. 10 seconds later. In peace, Lord. All right, come on. We gotta make sure we can keep up with Celeste and them. And then yeah. Oh yeah, the ultimate test to see if she can ride anything. What can you ride?
Maybe get on the safari track. Put your feet back.
All right, you get.
Like high. No, I'm not tippy toe.
Let's see what you got. All right, we can do the safari track. I think that's as far as we can go.
No, I don't think so. It's here, bro.
Well, like we can put like a little heels up. Y'all can get on all the rides. Yes, we know. Y'all are like the same height as adults. We get it.
Stuck at 36. I think it's 56.
56? Who's 56?
Yeah, it's 56.
Or 60, who knows?
How much is this? Moments later.
Finally made it through after 10 years and 8 hours later. Meanwhile, hey guys. Still waiting on them to get in and check in.
Jason Gerardo.
All right, come on in, Jason.
Jason. Hey. Where you going? DJ, hold on, wait. You moving too fast. Whoa. All right. All right. Woo.
It's Nyla.
Stop messing with me.
Look it. Let me in.
Hey.
Come on.
All right.
Guys,
We got a double entry. Woo! Look.
Wait, no, he did wallet. We gotta get him in.
Yeah. You ain't never leaving him behind. All right, we made it. Woo! We made it in after 10 years and 8 hours later. We here. Woo! Shout out to Legoland. What y'all doing? A wasp nest. Wait, which little wasp nest?
Right there, but inside the
Oh,
door,
it is
it's
a.
14.
That's just a wood.
It's not just a wood, that's a wasp nest.
That's a nest. That is. It's raining, so they all in hibernation anyway. They ain't coming out right now. So it's quick as it just got rained on. They want to go get back up and need some more water. It's gonna get misty. It's called mist.
How come they get inside under this but not in the rain?
I know, right? That's what I said. It just rained and y'all was like, oh my god, it's raining. It's raining. Rest of the gang, hey, what y'all doing? What's this? That's infamous pizza place. Pizza la pizza. I know, right? Woo!
Awesome job, guys. Welcome back.
Bag it up, bag it up.
All right, wait for us.
We gotta go upstairs.
So wherever the 4 little ones sit, why don't you decide to sit?
We're going upstairs. Oh, you wanna go down?
They want to go up.
Let's get a horse.
We getting horse and cattle. Here you go, D.
Come here. Lila. Celeste, you need help?
Yeah.
Really? I see you here.
What's up, guys? Getty up, getty up. Giddy up, giddy up. What's over here doing? Giddy up, giddy up.
Galaxia wants her own.
Wow. Slop, slop.
I'm gonna want someone to go on mine on the back.
I wish I could get on the back with you, but I'm too big. They're gonna kick me off.
I'll be right there.
Watch them shoes. Take a picture. Alright, packed in. Everybody ready to go. Karma, packed in like sardines. GJ, say look, yo, y'all packed. Karma, you like hating life right now, huh? Sorry, it's only 4 to arrive. Look at. We should have stuck Alex with the boys. Oh, sounds like y'all ready to go. You gotta go choo choo. Galaxia. You gotta go choo-choo.
What?
You leaving? Well, look, where is Brittany? I think she went over there somewhere. There she go. Choo-choo! Karma! Bye! What y'all doing? How was your little round? That little baby ride for 1 to 10, what was it? 9? You had fun?
-10.
-10, all right, well, it sounds like a big kid, little kid ride. 5, all right. So we can't do no Lego crybaby.
You know we can't be no Lego crybaby.
Why are you crying? Y'all some big kids, right? Big kids. Oh my God, you're a pig if anything.
Caught that right.
Lego
Piggly Wiggly. You are funny.
pool.
Yeah, but we're gonna have so much fun though.
All right.
You got your lemonade. It's coming. When your mama called to check on you.
Mamma mia.
Tell my,
Mamma
tell her say
mia.
hi to the vlog. Kayla, say what's up, what's up?
You're squeezing me.
Here, hold it. Tell her we about to go to the pool now.
I'll go to the pool now.
Ugh. Lila, you ain't gonna talk to your mama? She's gonna talk to me. Dang. Alex, you having fun? Meanwhile, the big kids over there riding the big kid ride. And we got the splash pad. Wait till he's finished, okay, Alex? Come here. Oh, hey, you're not gonna dance either? Go, hey. All right, you got your little dance in. What do you get, 10% off? 10% off of what? Enjoy one free item below.
Free item what?
Single use fast track pass for the family. Limited to 4 riders. 1 order of granny apples. 1 keychain from the big shop, and 1 ice cream.
You get one of everything?
Well, that's what it said with the little card. Did she only give us yeah?
No,
Yeah,
but
of
it
course.
says for the family.
If we can find Poppy. I don't see none from here. All right, this is the exit. Oh, the Unikitty. Like Legoland. You hot? It's so hot out here. Oh my gosh. You're melting. My baby's melting. What's that? No good day. We need that, girl. That's your gifts that they gave you. You got a 1 order of granny apple fries, a single fast track pass for family, and a keychain, girl.
I'm gonna get ice cream.
Ice cream? All right, we'll see if they got some ice cream for you. Cause it's hot. Overall, this park is fun. It's really, really hot. And yeah, this is Florida weather. But I want to say one thing for Legoland. I wish I would have had all the rides that were here open because yeah, I don't got to stand an hour-long rides and split up because people got to stand in line for too long because the other rides are closed. So yeah. And if you guys can see, the rain, of course, is rolling in. Once again, 40 days, 40 nights here in Miami. But yeah, hopefully we get some fun in. The kids went to the water park. I'm sitting here on mommy mode right now, waiting on Poppy and them to get off the big kid ride. Then we can get on the big mega flight and stuff like that. And the little kids went to go to the water parks. Before it rained, we had to do a little split up. So yeah, hopefully Poppy and them got some good footage of them waiting in this hour-long ride for the mega flight. And yeah, I'm gonna insert that there. And if not, then y'all missed it. But if not, I think y'all gonna enjoy this. Because yeah, I'm sure he gonna get some funny footage. And then I know you guys are gonna be able to see the kids because I sent Christy with a little vlog, told her to vlog. So yeah, y'all ain't gonna miss nothing. So yeah, if y'all ain't already done so, make sure y'all go down there and spam our comment section. Let's go, fam. And yeah, y'all gonna get shout out on the next video. So yeah, you already know. I'm tired. It's hot. Mommy mode on super. Let's go. Peace. Headed to the safari to find some food. I don't know. Tell me, you gonna be food? You gonna be lion food? You gonna be safari food? Galaxia, you gonna be safari food?
Yeah, maybe.
Oh my God! So what? We got a safari ride over here. Coaster-saurus. Oh my God! It's the dinosaur that it takes all the roller coasters. Hold on. Look at the little safari. The Lego hippo. I don't even know if that's a Lego. I think that's a Lego elephant over there. Look at the baby Lego elephant. Wow, that was cool. All right, come on, y'all. We gotta go catch up. Oh, look, it's a Lego dinosaur. The Lego dinosaur. Oh, we losing the map. No. It's okay, come on. That's Coastosaurus, but it's closed due to weather. Let's go. Go ahead, get in, let her in. The food over here? Oh my God. We got lions. Days now, 49s here in Miami. Woo. So you be trying to run to get some food because it's about to rain. Woo. Clear, running to the food, run to the food. Meanwhile, it's the pile up. So we just got rained on, of course, and yeah, I'm running to go find everybody and get all of our things together because it's been a rainy little day. And yeah, we about to end off this vlog. We about to go get some food. We hungry. We've been looking for food for the past hour. And yeah, like I said, you already know what time it is. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and give us a huge thumbs up. Until next time, peace.
Every single day, I'm gonna make.
Oh, and by the way, if y'all ever come to Legoland and think y'all about to get a little Lego pirate suite, you guys won't be getting a pirate suite. You will be getting a regular suite. And yeah, just we'll make a review on that one too.